My channel. If today is your first time, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. So today we are going to show you how to use multiple accounts to clone any application. WhatsApp, you can clone any application with this. So first of all, we need to go to App Store. We need to search for this app called Dual Space. Here is the application. It's called Dual Space. I have it already. So I have to open my application now. You can install it. So this is my application, Dual Space. Very easy to clone. You can see, guys, I have to clone Facebook, WhatsApp, to WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram. So when you want to use it to clone apps, you have to only click here, plus sign. You can choose any app that you want to clone. For example, I want to clone this app. I want to clone this Hangout. I will select the Hangout and press clone. Guys, you can see it's done already. Very simple and easy to use. You can clone any application, anything that you want to clone. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share the videos for more videos like this. Thanks, guys.